Core system libraries failing because of the Mqrt Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Get the professional Mqrt library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Mqrt library, the MSMQ message queuing runtime library. It provides unmanaged orchestration for asynchronous message routing, facilitating the data link for distributed software service manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. When a core file like Mqrt Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mqrt library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type nidtsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. Second, type nitsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Mqrt Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Mqrt library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Mqrt library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.